You talk about partition. Our house in Pune, tomorrow is our Pune launch. If anybody, a few people from here have been to our house in Pune, it's called Africa House in Pune. Okay, it was built by my father in 1939, my grandfather in 1939. Dr. Gokhale, it was built like that. So in 1948, after Gandhi was assassinated, as you know, the Brahmin houses were burnt and a lot of things happened. So apparently the story goes that the mob came to burn our house also. And obviously we are not related to the Godses in any way. Yes, I think Golwalkar family, they are here, so they know that, we are not related to the Godses in any way, but the Gokhale, Godse, everybody is all tightly entwined. So they came to burn down the house, and my grandparents were in Africa because he was a doctor, and only the children were there. My father and his siblings and cousins, they were living there with a housekeeper, Subhadrabai. So they were there, only they were there. So apparently the tenants, a small part of the house was given to the Zadhavs, the tenants. They were Marathas. And they were there quite till now, till 80s, 90s. They came out and they said this house doesn't belong to the Gokhales. They told the mob, it is not their house, it is our house. We've given them paying guests. These are our children. And that's how the house was saved. Right? So this is never going to end, right? Every time, there is a Godse backlash. Even in the book, why does Mr. Godse, Sri Ram's father, he goes to England? Why? Why would he go to England? Because the pain of it is that in 1952, if your surname was Godse, you had no locus standi. You could not really exist in this country. Right? So he is told that, he's a doctor. Prabhakar Godse is a doctor in the book. But again, I have heard of stories of people who are driving rickshaws and not getting jobs. Certainly nobody wanted to marry them, if you're a Godse.